Good morning, everyone. We are beginning with the chapter, the Millionaire Miser, and we will be doing the reference to context. I would like each one of you to open your books and copies. Okay, Ansh, will you please read out the first question loudly? Okay, you will make a pauper of
He
me.
has songs.
Said these words unto whom? B. Why did the speaker say so? C. What did the listener suggest next? Could that be done? Why not? Now, first reference to context, C1, A. The answer is Sushil said these words to Nirmala. B. Sushil said these words because Nirmala had suggested making sweet rice dumplings for the entire town. C. Next, Nirmala suggested making sweet rice dumplings for their family and the servants. That could not be done because Sushil felt that the servants did not need to have sweet rice dumplings. Question number 2. I'll teach this fellow not to be so stingy. Questions. Who said these words? B. Why did the speaker want to teach the fellow a lesson? And C. Where was the speaker when he said these words? Answer. Saka, the king of heaven, said these words. B. Saka wanted to teach the fellow is in single inverteds, a lesson because it was not good to be a miser. And in 77 millennia, Saka had not seen a person as miserly as Sushil. See, when Saka said these words, he was sitting on his marble throne in his 1,000-mile high palace. The third one, the third question. You don't help also. The third question is, this is the true Sushil, Your Majesty. Question, who said these words? B, how does the speaker recognize Sushil? C, was the speaker right? How do you know? Answer 3A, Nirmala said these words. B, Nirmala recognizes Sushil when she asks both the Sushils a question. Now, both the Sushils, Sushils, and then apostrophe. Both the Sushils a question. It is better to be generous to yourself, comma, to your family, to your servants, or to your neighbor, question mark. To this question, Saka had replied that it was best to be generous to all, whereas Sushil had replied that it was best to be generous to none, None. C. Nirmala was not right. The person she chose as Sushil was actually Saka. We know this because Sushil was a miser, and to Nirmala's question, he had said that it was best to be generous to no one. Thank you, kids. Now, this video has clearly my voice. You can stop it every now and then and go through it.